Well, welcome to the event and the show. And today I just got this new dimmer relay switch, headlight dimmer relay switch from Pacific Parts. I think it originally was for an MG, I'm not sure. Anyways, it looks just like the original one. It's got the 3 prongs. It's a step down. It goes here. There's the wiring for it. There's 3 wires that hook up. There's the black, white, there's the white, and there's the yellow. And the numbers on this thing are clearly visible. There's 56A, 56, and 56B. So 56 is the power. This middle one is the power. These other ones are the accessory ones. There's high beams and low beams, depending upon which way you want it to go. Okay, let's hook it up. Okay, next step, since if you look on your wiring, you can see that there's yellow and white on here, and there's a brown one. The brown one's so we're gonna go with, what do we want? Oh yeah. So there's high beam, which is yellow, and low beam's white, I think. I'm pretty sure it's like that, or the other way around. I mean, the switch works either way, so it should work. Let's hook it up. All right, so undo these things. Okay, then slide black light into the thing. That. Twist it. It should be in there. Yeah. The next one. You got the 2. Put it like that. There you go. Screw it on. That's the other one. You want this here, this here. Good, press the screwdriver. You might have to drill these holes in the floor. If yours didn't come with holes. And below, that's it. It's installed. Isn't that great? Pretty easy, eh? And then you'll be able to push it with your foot. Yeah, that's it. Now, if you want to buy that floor dimmer switch from me, it works for the T1, T2, Volvo, MG, Triumph, Dune Buggy. I mean, you can grab that part off me. It's $100. Just message me to purchase. And prices may be subject to change without notice, so just ask and proceed at your own risk in installing that. Thanks, and I hope you have a really great day.